Let's check our answers. So you should have just shown me 3/4, 4/6, and then 3/3 using the fraction bars on your computer. So let's go ahead and look at the 3/4 and what 3/4 is going to look like using the fraction bars. So I'm going to look at my denominator 4. That means that's how many parts there are total. So there's 4 parts. I'm going to go to the 1/4 because here the bars cut into 4 equal parts. And then if I look at my numerator, that's going to tell me how many fourths I need to put together. So I need 3. I'm going to go ahead and click and drag 1/4, click and drag 2/4, and then click and drag 3/4. So you should have done this to show 3/4 with the fraction bars. The next one we're going to have is 4/6. So again, my denominator is going to tell me how many equal parts I have. So I have 6 equal parts, so I'm going to go to my 1/6 bars. They're split into 6 equal parts. Then I'm going to look at my top number, the numerator, and I need 4. So I need 4 1/6 pieces to show 4/6. So I'm going to click, and here's 1/6, 2/6, I did the best I can there, 3/6, and then here is 4/6. So 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6 equals 4/6 all together. And like I said, the trackpad, it's a little bit tricky with the pad for your mouse to get them to line up. So just do your best, okay? You should have just done your best to get them to line up. All right, this last one here is a little bit different, 3/3. So if you already knew this, if the numerator and the denominator are the same, like in this number, we have 3/3, that means it's equal to 1 whole. So if you already knew this, you could have just dragged 1 down and shown me 3/3. If you didn't know this, you also could have shown me with the 1/3 bar. So again, the denominator shows how many equal parts. So I need the thirds because I have 3 equal parts. And the top shows me how many I need to grab. So I need to grab 3 of the thirds. So I'm going to go ahead and go 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. And you can see there, if I lined it up a little bit better, okay, that it's equal to the 1 whole. So if this is what your work looked like when you did it on your computer, awesome job. If you didn't, go back now after you saw this and watch the video before this as well if you need a little refresher and try again. If you got all 3 of these right, go ahead and move on to your next step.